What is up, Gonzo Gang? Guys, this is a video that you guys don't normally see me post or anything like that or do. But I wanted to get more into vlogging, and I picked up this camera, this camcorder on Amazon. It's a budget camcorder. It cost me like $150. You know, I had a lot of great reviews on it. And it was a 4K Ultra HD camcorder. I don't really see the brand. AT Eco. So yeah, I wanted to show you what comes in the box as a beginner vlogger. And yeah, let's open this up. By the way, I already opened it before, and I said, you know what? Why not post about it? Show people what I experienced on it. I'm gonna try to post up a video on it as well, or add it to this video on how it looks on the camera and everything else. So also came with this too as well, easy guide, everything you need to know about it. So yeah, I'm not fully experienced with these camcorders, anything like that, so I know first thing that came when I pulled out of the box is the actual camcorder itself. So letting you know too, guys, it actually came like with this on it too. But like I said, I opened it before, so. But here's the camcorder itself. Oh, already turned on. Got that. Mic HD, USB, record. You got the zoom in, zoom out. Also got a photo button here. This here, I think this is where you put with the mic, the external mic that comes with it too. Bought like a little kit with it, and it's a pretty good size too. I expected it to be a lot bigger. We had looked in the photos on Amazon, but yeah, nice handheld camcorder. Hook it up. Comes with the lens protector. Also a light. Actually, I didn't see that. Alright, got that. The box comes with, again, I'm not fully experienced with this, so don't judge. I assume this is what you put it here in the front. It's like a dust cover. I guess it goes with this here. I guess to block out the light and everything else. It comes with that. Also comes with a remote. Picture, record. Don't know what that is. Menu mode. That's pretty good stuff. Also touchscreen too. I'll show you more on that. So we got that. Here's the external mic. Off, low, high. The USB-C cable. Okay. Again, it goes right here. Oh, no. I got that wrong, but yeah. Should go there. Well, I figured that out in a second. Here's the cable for it too. If I can get this up, there you go. USB and the C cable. I'll put the case there. I'm trying to spread this out better so I can show more of it. Let's see here. And it comes with a handheld bracket. That's pretty cool. Ah, look at that. You would definitely need a tripod for this. Unless you're gonna run around holding it. Yeah. And comes with a charger. Now I assume the wires for this to charge the batteries that comes with it. It comes with these two batteries here. That plugs in. You put in right here. I already put one in it, as you already seen that was turned on. This is where for the memory card that it comes with as well, a 32 gigabyte ultra high speed memory card. When it comes with two batteries, that's great. And yeah, that's all in the pack there. So what I'm gonna try to do now is I'm gonna show you how the camera looks. If we have 4K, obviously it's 60 FPS, that's the highest one. I think the lowest it can go is 1080. I'm gonna hook everything up, and for the next slide, it should be the video. So, be right back. Wait, before I go, I gotta show you the actual screen itself. See, this is why, and I'm a beginner, don't be judging, but now I'm showing it. So, that's how the camera looks right now. This is in 4K 60 mode. Like I said, this is also touchscreen. Right here. There you go. Okay. All right. So, go to menu. Pick your resolution there. 4K 60. There you go. 2.7K 1080p. Yep, that's the four options you got there. You already know 4K is the best. White balance, exposure settings, metering mode, sharpness, video quality, ISO, time watermark, recording audio, image rotation, Wi-Fi information, and sorry guys. And yeah, there's more. Light source frequently, LED indicator. Oh shoot, there you go. Auto power off, 3 minutes, auto screensaver, button prompt, on and off music. I don't know what that for. Time format, language, time set. Jeez. Date set, format. I gotta do all this. Device info. God, what? And factory reset. That should be the last. Yeah. So now let's take this outside and so I can show you. See you in a bit. So guys, this is the result here when I put everything together finally. So I figured out how to put the mic on here. That's how it'll look. You put it all together. Everything came from the box, except for the stand. The stand I got from Amazon, I think it was like $15, but I will put the link in the bottom. Looks professional. See, I got everything hooked up, memory card in. So I gotta take these guys out too, so it could be in the background. All right, so I'm gonna start this camera up and see how it looks. All right, it should be good now. Yep, it should be playing now. All right. So, guys, what you're seeing here is the 4K 60 resolution right now. Get on the video. Again, I shot my phone on 4K, so hopefully it uploads 4K, but you can still see the little clarity difference, 1080p and 4K. I started the camera right here with the remote, so you already know it does work. I did it from here, so good distance. The mic, there's like two settings on the mic that says low and high. So right now it's on low, so I'm gonna put it up high to see if there's like a big difference. There's a high here. Probably if I'm like further away, so I can pick it up. So this is the clarity of the mic, the resolution, the clarity of the camera, the camcorder. I want to see if sorry. Now I'm gonna show you the zoom, how it's clear on the zoom, if it is. I'm gonna put the talk low because I'm right next to it. So actually, I'm gonna switch it to low, and I'll show you here, guys. I'm gonna they stay still. I'm gonna zoom in on them. Hey, I know what you're trying to do. Hey, stop it, nasty. Abu, not on camera. So that's how it looks from the zoom. See the houses, the trees. Sure, I might use this for softball, if if it sounds great and everything else. So, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Also, guys, the memory card that comes with it, 32 gigs, it only gives you at least like 54 minutes of recording time. This goes up to 128 gigs. So I already bought one that's coming in Tuesday. So that will give me at least, let's see, a good amount of time, maybe close to 3 hours. So I hope this video helps you guys. It definitely helped me learn a lot about this camera. Just from the button and everything else, and it also has in the back too, guys. You can also use this as a webcam as well, because it has the micro HD. You can just hook it up right to your computer, and boom, webcam. But like I said, I'm only using this for vlogging. This is definitely a beginner's camera, because these high-tech, perfect camera, $800 to $2,000. Yeah, I don't know about that. But again, I do have a $1,300 camera as my webcam, so I can't really say much. But go back here, it's back there. So flip this over here. I'm really hoping that the audio is great on this, and the resolution is great, because then it'll be a great buy. That you don't have to go all out, spend all your money on these crazy cameras. So if you guys can, let me know what you think of it, and hit that like button, subscribe if you enjoy it. Again, you're gonna see a lot more videos. I'm gonna be posting up about my bowling, if you visit my bowling page too, and also softball. I want to see if my girlfriend can record off of this, and hopefully she could hold it up and then maybe we could dial with it, Yeah, so let me know, guys. I love you. Gonzo Gang, we out. If I could turn this off. Hold on. There, hold on. The button right there.